Hi, good afternoon. Today is 9th January 2021 and today I want to show a simple dal with chutney with the same vegetable. My vegetable of the day is berakai. In English you call it as ridge gourd. In Hindi you call it as turai. This ridge gourd is a common vegetable which is very less in calories, high in water content and high in fiber, which is very good for people who are on dieting, and it is also very soothing for the tummy. So this is a healthy vegetable more or less, not with much of calories. So with this today, I want to use the entire vegetable. I want to use the inside portion as well as even the outer skin. So with the peel, I want to show a small chutney, and with the inner pulp, I want to show a simple dal. Dal with moong dal, not with tuar dal. So for that I have taken half a kg of ridge gourd, and this is 1 cup of moong dal, some curry leaves for garnishing, and with the peel which I am going to do chutney, I require for the masala which I put in the chutney, small amount of urad dal, few methi seeds, then few cloves of garlic, the regular 1 spoon of tamarind, 1 half spoon of jaggery powder which is store bought, and hing for tempering. For the dal, the regular tempering of mustard, jeera and mirchi. Come on, let's get started. First we have to take out the peel of this ridge gourd. So when we are taking the peel, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful not to take this portion, this pointed portion of the ridge gourd, which is very hard to digest. So the outermost peel, like I'll show you, the outermost, see the pointed ones, like this we have to first take away the outer portion, so that we are only left with the actual green part, the skin. Now you can peel off the skin. See, after removing the hard portion of the peel, I am getting like this. So now I can remove this peel and use it for my chutney. The peel, how we will be removing is, see, this is this thing. This is how you have to peel out your ridge gourd. You can even put a small piece of the vegetable also, which will add substance to the... I have removed the peel of all the ridge gourd or berakai, and here I have cut it into small pieces, the inner portion, to show you. This is how we have to cut. This is the ridge gourd or berakai which I have cut into small pieces, and the same ridge gourd, this is the peel of it. But because only it is the peel, to add some nutrition, I am putting 1/2 of the ridge gourd, so that I will fry along with this peel, this ridge gourd also, to give it to the chutney. Now let's get started. Put little oil, not much, only a small drizzle. See, I am just coating my pan with oil, that's all. Now add this is almost equivalent to 1/2 kg of turai. or rich gold, half kg. Cut into small pieces. I have not put any oil much, no seasoning. I just put my this thing. Now let me wash my moong dal. Now this is my washed moong dal, which I am adding it to my vegetable. Many people feel that a dal should be cooked in the cooker. Generally, dal is cooked in the cooker only. Why? Because it reduces the cooking time. But my personal experience and my personal feeling is, some dals should be cooked not in a cooker, on stove top. Particularly moong dal. Because if you put it in the cooker, it becomes sticky. Whereas if you put it on stove top, the dal looks and tastes much better. See, I have put my tur dal, my moong dal, my turai, and now I will be adding some water. I will be adding some water, sufficient quantity because the dal has to cook. That's it. Now let it cook. Just cover it. I have not put any salt, anything. It has to cook. Now let's get started with our chutney. I'm shifting my dal. Now for my chutney, I have to fry my masala first. So just want to take 1 spoon, just 1 spoon of groundnut oil, and fry all my ingredients. Like this is my methi which I have put. This is the moong dal. And chilies as per your taste. So these are small Baidagi chilies. So I am using 5 or small ones, 6. And a small bit of hing. That's it. That is our chutney masala. Let it fry for 2 minutes. I'll just remove it. Now my seasoning has become light brownish. So now let me remove this. Now add little more oil. And put your peel, whatever we have peeled, that we have to add. I want to add one turai also, so I am just putting it. Now just give it a toss. Just give it another toss and add some curry leaves, normal curry patta. So I am adding almost half cup of curry leaves. Let it reduce for 2-3 minutes. Now our peel has become very soft and fully fried. See, it has become so dry. Now let us do the mixing part. For this, in the mixie jar, I have put the seasoning what I have fried already. I am putting the peel now. It has to get cool, na? Then only you have to do the mixie part. That's all. Put little water, very little, because otherwise the blades won't turn. Now you put your 2 or 3. I am putting 3 cloves of garlic, little tamarind pulp, just half spoon of jaggery powder, then salt to taste. This is as per your requirement. Now our ground chutney is ready. Let us spoon it into a dish. Actually, to make it look more presentable, you can put top it with another seasoning. But since I have already put seasoning in the chutney itself for grinding, so I am not adding any more seasoning. So this is my chutney. Chutney is ready. So let's see check the dal. The dal is also cooked. You can see. Now I am adding my curry leaves, little salt for taste, now give it a stir. See how nicely the dal is cooked. At this juncture, you can switch off the stove. Just put your seasoning. Simple 2 spoons of oil with mustard, little urad dal and jeera. And our chilies. This is as per requirement. Generally, I eat less chilies. So I tend to put small amount. If people want, they can increase the chili content. And good amount of hing. Because we have not put any other flavoring agent in this. So we need some aroma. Now my seasoning is ready. Just give it a mix. Our dal is ready. Now I am dishing out my dal. This is a very simple dal with not much of elaborate procedure. Just put it on the stove and let it cook. And you can have a healthy option of a dal. Now my dal and chutney My dal and chutney are ready. Just have it with hot rice and ghee and enjoy. Radha signing off with cameraman Mohan. Thank you.